Hi, welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. Today I am opening up my Curlbox. It was just delivered today. Today is Thursday, October the 17th. And so let's see what's in it. Oh, I've never tried these products before. Curls Unleashed. Ooh, I like that. Look at that. That's so pretty. The animated look. Oh wow, look at that. All those products they have. Yes. Curl Play, Curls Unleashed, Color Blast products. So that's that. We have the Curls Unleashed Coconut and Shea Butter Curly Coil HD Gel Souffle. Ooh, it matches with me. And this is a 16, these are 16 ounce size products, so that is really great. This is the Cocoa and Shea Butter Leave-In Condition and Style Cream. And the Coconut and Avocado Does It All Smoothie Styler. And this is the Beeswax and Castor Oil Color Blast Temporary Hair Makeup Wax. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. This is so cool because Deja's been bugging me about doing some hair wax, hair color with the waxes and stuff. Bodacious Blue. Match. I could put this in my hair. I need to put it on my roots right now. Give my roots a touch up. Well, she's going to be really excited about this because she's been bugging me wanting to do that. And it says, Curls Unleashed Curlbox. So excited for you to sample Curls Unleashed, made especially for naturals to moisturize, prep, and maintain stylish curls. Learn more about our entire collection, including our new Color Blast Temporary Hair Makeup Wax via the included brochure. Oh, okay. And these are some gloves. Okay, some gloves to use with the color wax. And then we have 2 sample packs of the Aloe Vera and Honey Texture Boosting Curly Jelly. And the Shea Butter and Honey Curly Core Rich Style Cream. I'm really liking the animated person here, cartoonish emoji looking person on here. The one on the color is really pretty. You see that? It has the purple and blue hair color in the hair. The blue and purple, that's really pretty. I like that. And Curlbox Freedom. This pamphlet here, multi-texture hair is freedom. Yes, it is. So create curl cast. That is what you will use the All Smoothie Styler. You create a curl cast with this smoothie styler here and the leave-in condition and style cream. Which one is that? This one. To add volume and more fluff, you would use the HD Gel Souffle. That's this one. And then the temporary colorist, become a temporary colorist, and that's with the wax, the Color Blast wax, beeswax. And it just gives you more information about those products on here. So nice. My October curl box is okay. I'm enjoying this curl box experience. What else we get with the coming months? That's it for this month's curl box unopening. If you like this video, thumbs it up. And if you didn't like it, then leave. Bye. Until next time, Lord say the same. I will see you in the next one. Make sure you click the bell. Well, make sure you subscribe first, then click the bell and click all to get all notifications for whenever we upload new videos so you won't miss out. Thank you for watching.